Recent discovery in the cure for herpes is overshadowed by the COVID-19 quest for a vaccine. Lack of coverage has left millions infected with herpes in the dark. While this is a source of help for many communities devastated by COVID-19, the vaccine development race has shifted attention away from one area in which we've already seen a major medical breakthrough. There's finally a cure for the herpes simplex virus. For decades, researchers and scientists have worked tirelessly to find a cure for herpes, and only one company has succeeded. Synergy Pharmaceuticals, a multinational organization with operations in Australia and Singapore, crafted its combination herpes treatment from 5 organic ingredients: L-Lysine, Tribulus, Astragalus, Rhodiola, and a unique amino formula. These ingredients work in tandem to generate T cells and macrophages, which help break down herpes viral envelope. This weakens the virus, prevents cell-to-cell infection, and eventually eradicates it. In Synergy's clinical research trials, 80% of genital herpes subjects who took the combination herpes treatment for 4-6 months had negative blood test results for herpes, both HSV1 and HSV2. These subjects had previously been infected for years and now had no outbreaks or other herpes-related symptoms. Follow-up blood tests showed there was no reoccurrence of the virus. In short, they'd been cured. The combination herpes treatment proved more effective than any antiviral medication currently on the market and accomplished what many vaccine developers had failed to do. Synergy Pharmaceuticals had achieved the unthinkable, a truly holistic treatment for a virus with no other known cure. This was exciting news for millions of herpes sufferers, but not for companies in the vaccine business. The business of vaccines recent years have seen some high-profile yet unsuccessful attempts at herpes vaccines. Genesia's drug trial program was shuttered in 2017. Vical Incorporated's study failed in 2018. And Rational Vaccines, founded by the late Southern Illinois University professor William Harford, has been mired in controversy and criminal investigations over its initial clinical trials. So, Synergy's breakthrough should have been hailed as an achievement, one that many patients had been waiting for. But that wasn't the case. Vaccines are big business, with the global market valued at $59.2 billion. Of course, they have tremendous medical importance, as they've helped suppress or eradicate infectious diseases like measles. And when certain populations forego vaccinations or don't have access to them, we typically see a rise in new infections. But vaccines are also coveted because they generate revenue, often for just a few key corporate giants. Take measles, for instance. In the US, Merck is the only company licensed to offer a vaccine for the disease. As a result, sales for its 3 vaccines, Prodquad, MMR2, and Varivax, top $1.4 billion annually. Imagine if another company infringed upon their market share with a viable holistic option that worked more effectively. Merck would likely do everything in its power to protect its profits, in lieu of providing patients with more options. This is perhaps why Synergy's cure for herpes hasn't received widespread attention. In addition to taking a backseat to COVID-19 coverage, the combination herpes treatment threatens to eat into the profits of herpes antiviral drug manufacturers and of any companies with hopes of finding and selling a vaccine. Please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.